Most people think a professional server setup requires a massive room and a floor-to-ceiling rack, but this compact beast proves you can fit a powerhouse network right on your wall. It is rare to find a cabinet that balances heavy-duty security with a footprint that actually makes sense for a small office or a home lab enthusiast. The 212 main 32-inch 12U wall-mount server rack cabinet is built like a tank, featuring a closed-frame design that feels incredibly sturdy from the moment it is pulled out of the box. With a maximum load capacity of nearly 200 pounds, it handles heavy switches, patch panels, and even some deeper server units without showing any signs of stress or sagging. The steel backdoor structure adds a layer of rigidity that cheaper, open-frame alternatives just cannot match. One of the standout features here is the removable front door. It makes the initial installation process so much less of a headache because you can strip the cabinet down to its frame while you are routing cables, and then pop the door back on for that clean, finished look. Since it is a 12U unit, there is plenty of vertical real estate for a growing setup, and that 32-inch depth is the real game changer. It provides that extra breathing room for cable management and deeper equipment that usually forces people to buy a full-sized floor rack. There is something deeply satisfying about seeing all that blinking gear tucked away behind a sleek, professional enclosure. It keeps the dust out and the noise down, which is a huge plus if your workspace is in the same room as your rack. While it is a wall-mounted unit, it does not feel flimsy or temporary. It feels like a permanent piece of infrastructure that is ready to work for years. For anyone looking to reclaim their floor space without sacrificing the security of a closed cabinet, this is a top-tier choice. It is rugged, spacious, and surprisingly easy to work with, making it a solid investment for any serious tech setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.